Clothes dryers can malfunction and fail to produce heat due to several reasons, including an insufficient power supply, a clogged vent, or a damaged heating element. To address these issues, it is essential to begin by checking the power supply. This involves inspecting the circuit breaker to ensure it has not tripped, and verifying that the breaker switch supplying power to the dryer is providing the correct voltage. A multimeter can be used to check the voltage in the dryer's wall outlet, which should read between 215 and 240 volts in the neutral and hot slots, and between 110 and 120 volts in the ground and hot slots. If the readings are low, it is recommended to contact an electrician. Another potential cause of the problem is a clogged vent, which can be resolved by unplugging the dryer, pulling it away from the wall, and disconnecting the vent. A brush can be used to loosen any fluff or debris, which can then be vacuumed away. The vent's exit outside the house should also be cleared of debris using a brush and vacuum, and any damaged ductwork should be replaced before reconnecting the vent. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to replace the heating element. This involves unplugging the dryer, removing the rear panel, and disconnecting the thermostat and wires connected to the heating element. The old element can then be removed, and a replacement part can be aligned and connected to the thermostat and wires. Finally, the rear panel can be replaced, and power can be restored to the dryer. By following these steps, it is possible to identify and fix the problem, and get the clothes dryer working properly again.